When to get help. In this video, you will learn about the signs and symptoms to watch for after discharge, when to contact your surgeon or healthcare provider, and when an issue is critical enough to call 911 for immediate emergency care. Call your surgeon's office, family doctor, or go to the nearest emergency room or community urgent care clinic if any of the following happens. You have signs or symptoms of wound infection, such as worsening pain or tenderness around your incision that does not go away with elevation of your operated leg, rest, ice, or pain medication, a fever of 38 degrees Celsius or higher, increased redness, swelling and warmth around your incision, or foul-smelling, green or yellow drainage coming from your incision. You start bleeding from your incision, or your dressing is more than 80% stained or wet, or the drainage is seeping out the edges of your dressing. You feel sick to your stomach or nauseated, or experience vomiting lasting more than 24 hours, or you have diarrhea lasting more than 2 days. If any of the above happens, call your surgeon's office or family doctor, or go to the nearest emergency room or community urgent care clinic. Call 911 if you have sudden chest pain or shortness of breath, or you have signs of a blood clot in your leg, also known as a deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. These signs and symptoms include pain, warmth, and/or redness in the calf of your operated leg, or excessive swelling in your calf, thigh, foot, or ankle. You have lower leg cramps, and depending on your skin tone, you notice a change in the color of your leg from red to bluish. These are signs of a medical emergency and need immediate attention. Knowing when to seek help is important for your recovery. Thank you for watching and wish you a speedy recovery.